Little fifth graders, we will now work on the beautiful type of math called subtraction of fractions. Now, this one we're going to do together. So you have 5/4 minus 5/8. So let's zoom in here on this problem. Just like with addition of fractions, you line them up like so. And just like with addition of fractions, you must find the least common denominator. So you take your denominators and you find the multiples. 4 times 1 is 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Stop. Because you have one that is the same. You keep doing that until you find a multiple that is the same. So this 8 becomes the least common denominator. Now you must find the new numerator. 4 times 2 is 8. So 5 times 2 is 10. 8 times 1 is 8. So 5 times 1 is 5. And now you simply subtract the numerators, but the denominator will stay the same. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now you have to ask yourself the two questions. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? It is in simplest form. The only common factor they have is 1. So, to summarize all of this, subtraction of fractions is the same as addition of fractions, except when you get to the numerators. Instead of adding them, you subtract them. Everything else is the same. So it should be easy. All right. That means it is your turn to do one. I want you to solve this problem. 2/3 minus 2/7. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. You line them up vertically like so. Now, you must find the new denominator. Now, you should know how to do that by now. We've been practicing it a lot. So you should have come up with 21 as your new denominator. Now you must find the new numerator. 7 times 3 is 21. So 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. So 2 times 7 is 14. Next, you subtract the numerators. The denominator stays the same. 14 minus 6 is 8. Now you have to ask yourself the two questions. Is it an improper fraction? No. Is it in simplest form? It is in simplest form. The answer is 8/21. That's how you subtract fractions. Now, quickly, let's review how to add fractions. On your paper, solve this problem. Addition of fractions. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right. Remember, this is addition. So, for the least common denominator, you should have gotten 36. 9 times 4 is 36. 7 times 4 is 28. 12 times 3 is 36. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, denominator stays the same. We're adding this time. 3 plus 28 is 31. Is this an improper fraction? No. Is this in simplest form? Yes, it is. 31 over 36 is what you should have gotten. And the truth shall set you free. All right, let's review one more. This time, we are adding mixed numbers. We're not going to be subtracting mixed numbers this week because there is an extra step sometimes, so we're going to work on that separately. But we have learned how to add mixed numbers, so you go ahead and do this right now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how good you did. All right, 12 1/3 plus 2 1/4. We must first find the least common denominator, and you should have gotten 12 for that. Now you must find our new numerators. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. Now you must add the numerators. The denominator stays the same. 4 plus 3 is 7. Ask yourself the two important questions. Is this an improper fraction? It is not. Is this in simplest form? It is. Now, last step, add all the whole numbers. 12 plus 2 is 14. Your answer should have been 14 and 7/12. There you go, little fifth graders. We're adding subtraction to our process now. So now you know a lot of information. So get on Google Classroom and get to work.